So I shall unmute some of you to ask your questions. In the meantime, I'll also see the Q&A chat box. If there are any important questions, I'll answer now. Okay, Shiv Shankar BV.
Ram, sir.
Ram.
Sir, I just wanted to share an information. Yesterday, I have been trying to reach the Shankar Math office, but there was no response. So I went myself yesterday.
Okay.
This is to share the information to all the people. And the phone is not working for quite some time. That is the reason I'm not able to pick up the phone. And regarding the textbook, they told me that they don't have the Kannada English combined textbook. They have individual textbook, one in Kannada, one in English.
Okay. So for the first one, I thank you because I mean maybe because of some technical issue, their phone may not be working. Yeah, that's a possibility. For the second one, you'll have to ask for the new syllabus. Okay, because the new syllabus is one which is having both Kannada and English in one.
I asked him, sir. I asked him, but he said there is no.
Okay.
He didn't have stock or he has not got the stock. Then I had to buy one each of English and Kannada.
But actually, that is a previous syllabus book, sir. So I think, yeah, only thing is you just try to see if this is the format of the book, how it is.
I told him that the teacher, Mr. Raghunandan showed us the book. That's what I told him.
Right.
But, you know.
Okay. So I'm not sure, but because even most of the students also reached out to Vyoma support also, and also I have been receiving many emails related to this textbook, like where to get, and we did not get a new syllabus, etc. And we have tried to bring this to the notice of Sabha officials also, and they have said they shall sort this out soon. Okay. So
okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay, so I think maybe by end of this week or at max by mid or next week, I think most of you should be able to at least start the process to get the textbook. That's what I hope for. Okay, Dhanyawadaha for the information anyway. Thank you. Okay, so next Padma Narayana. Next in the line would be Vaishnavi. Yes.
Thank you, Ram. This is Padma. Yeah, in the homework, I mean, do you do several sentences with the pattern or just one of each kind?
Set of sentences is basically 4 sentences. One is the first question.
No, sorry, not the today's homework, the assignment part.
Okay.
Like when we did in class, you already did a pattern of assignment in class. Esha ka, Esha balakaha. So I can do Esha Ramaha, Alayaha, whatever. So how many such sentences for each? I mean, any limit?
One per question is sufficient. For your practice, you practice more. Yes. For the assignment purpose, one answer is sufficient.
Okay. So I will just pick another word from the table and take.
That's right.
Okay. Yes. Thank you.
Dhanyawadaha. Okay. Vaishnavi.
Namo Namaha Mahodaya.
Namaste.
In Dakarantaha Pumlingaha, it is called Dakaranta because it ends with the, but in Prathama Bhakti Ekavachanam, it is Saha.
Right. So basically, some of these pronouns get transformation or adesha, that this particular shabda, for Tat Shabda, it will be with Saha. Okay. So for the first vibhakti only, Saha Taute, after that you can see it starts with the Tam Tautan. Only for Saha only. That is the first Prathama Purusha Ekavachana only, you have a different form.
So is that a grammatical rule?
Yes, it is based on a grammatical rule.
Okay, thank you.
Similarly, you will also see in the next shabdas that we will also learn, which is like Asmad Yushmat Shabda, like Aham Shabda, like Aham, you know, right, the word. So that the Shabda for that is basically Asmad. There will be a lot of transformations or changes that you can see, but these are all based on a particular sutra or a grammatical rule.
Okay, thank you.
Dhanyawadaha. Okay, next is Nataraj Mahodaya, and next will be Nageshwar Rao. Ram.
Okay, this is regarding the textbook. I went there and I got I got the full set.
Okay.
Okay, and it is total of a set of 9 books.
Okay, yeah, that is right. Because from Tritiya onwards, it will be two books which will be there. But at least for
what will be the sequence, Guruji?
Sorry?
What will be the sequence?
Sequence will be Prathama, Dvitiya, then Tritiya, Turiya, and then Pravesha. So these are the 5 exams which are there.
And all Samskrita Bhasha Deepika, isn't it?
Yeah, everything is Samskrita Bhasha Deepika only, but the first will be the Prathama, 1, 2. I think they would have numbered also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm not sure.
Yeah, Prathama. Yeah. And I also got this Anuvada Pradeepa.
Yes, Anuvada Pradeepa is part of the 3rd level. Okay, from 3rd level onwards, we have 2 books. One is the textbook, and another one is Anuvada Pradeepa.
Okay. And Shabda Chandrika?
That is to practice the Shabdas. That is an auxiliary book. You can keep it like to practice the Shabdas basically. Ramaha, 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 like this, all the Shabdas are given in that. So that will be useful throughout this journey, not just for Prathama, Dvitiya, or for all these levels, it will be helpful.
I got a new syllabus only with both English and Kannada.
Yes, okay, very good, very good.
Dhanyawad.
Astu, dhanyawadaha. Okay. Next, Nageshwar Rao.
Mahoday, I went to yesterday to the Sabha, but I bought that book yesterday, but it was not the blue color. It was something like brown and thing, which I sent a mail to you also, taking the photograph of that.
Right.
Is it old one? Is it? It says 201. Yes. This is
that is a previous syllabus. Yes, it is a smaller size of the book as well.
Yeah,
so it size. Yeah, and it is a previous version or the old syllabus.
Okay. Now you are saying that the new book will be available after a week or 10 days.
No. I mean, it should be available, but if you inquire, maybe because of their phone was not working, I think most of your calls were not answered. Like most of the students' calls were not answered. Once if it is rectified, you can contact them and ask for ask to get the new syllabus books.
Because I went yesterday personally, that's why.
Yeah, understood. Yeah, and also like if probably it is good if you mention that we require the new syllabus. Otherwise, at the store, whoever would be there, they may not be aware of both the syllabus books are present, etc. Because usually whoever would be there for more time, they would know. But maybe if they have been relieved by another person for some time, etc., this could happen. So I request to check with them and ask for new syllabus and get them as well. Okay. So thanks for all your inputs about being you personally went there and you got the textbooks, etc. That's good. So you can start learning from them. Okay. So if there are any questions mainly related to the content of or the class that we have learned today, I'll be happy to answer them. If these are related to textbook in general or particular about the textbook, I think I would probably answer them through email and not through orally. Okay, so next person, Vaishnavi. We'll probably take 2 more questions and we shall end. Vaishnavi, you have any question? Okay, next. I'm not sure if the name, Jav Jengis.
The question is, what dictionary can you recommend for learning forms of nouns and adjectives?
Okay, so at least now we have a lot of dictionaries online. Okay, so you can actually refer to kosha.sanskrit. Today, that is the one of the dictionary, or another one is learnsanskrit.cc, or you can also search for spokensanskrit.org, either of these. So these are some of the preliminary or the basic dictionaries that you can refer to. And if you are looking for a hard copy of a book or something like that, so the publication also, like Apte dictionary is very famous, like which is there from long time, and the publication is also available. So you can also procure a hard copy of that. There are advanced dictionaries as well, but at this point of time, I will not probably tell about them. Like I shall discuss about the dictionaries itself in one of the classes, and also like how to proceed and learn further. Hope that answers your question.
Dhanyawadaha.
Sure. Dhanyawadaha. Okay, Sheila Krishnan.
Ram.
Ram Ram Ram.
First thing I wanted to check, like if my name is Sheila Krishnan, so
Right.
how will you say in Dvivachana and Bahuvachana? Only
Okay.
Sheila, Sheelaha,
Yeah.
or you can include
That is right.
Krishnan?
So, what will happen is Krishnan, the word basically will become the Pullinga Shabda, right? And also because of the traditional usage, because if it's a Tamilian name or maybe a Malayalam based name, the Krishnan, the Nakara ending will come. Okay, Ramalingam, etc. I'm just picking up some names and telling. But in general, if you see, Krishna is a Akaranta Pullinga Shabda, if you see in English. So if you want to retain that to be like Krishnan only, like the Nakaranta, then you'll have to tell the forms like Nakaranta Shabda, like Rajan, Raja, Rajano, Rajanaha, something like that. So Sheila Krishna, no, but I mean it doesn't make that. So what you can see, you can in such cases, this is a very valid question. Whenever we are trying to introduce a chief guest in any occasion, etc., we'll have to use. We will attach a name, Mahabhaga or Mahodaya, something like this. So whatever their name could be, along with that name, Sheila Bhagini also you can use, for example, or Sheila Mahabhaga, Sheila Mahabhagaha Agatavatyaha, or Sheila Krishnan Mahabhagaha. In that way, you can use another word to depict the vachanas and so on. But technically speaking, yeah, whichever anta it becomes, based on that, the Dvivachana and Bahuvachana forms will be different.
Okay. And one more question. Now, Krishna. Hello?
Krishna, yes.
Krishna means black also. Krishna Palaka, that blackboard.
That is right.
So, like if you're using with Krishna means black only. It is Strilingam only. It will come, is it? Or like it will change according to the
gender.
Like if you use it as an adjective with Pullinga Shabda and Napumsakalinga also, it will change.
That is right. So Krishnaha Balakaha, Krishna Balika. So when we are using it as an adjective, the adjectives can be in all the three lingas basically, depending on what object we are referring to. So it changes accordingly to the word which we are referring to.
And one more thing, request.
Sure.
To other students who are close to that Sabha, I've already requested and paid also. They said they'll post it in a day or two. It's more than a week now. They have not sent. So if somebody can request to check.
I think there have even I received one mail from another student. So we have actually trying to reach the Sabha officials. So I think it will be sorted out soon, because due to lockdown, pandemic, and many other things, because of the staff members also, like in a sense, they could be not well and so on. There could be many reasons, because I cannot know what exactly.
No, because for exam also I checked with them. Right. So they gave me the contact number and I already contacted and spoke to them also. I'm in Chennai.
Okay, sure. So, no problem.
I think
that is fine. So, but yeah, you'll have to wait and then contact back them. But at least you will be receiving them soon. I think.
Yeah, I'm not. I'm just waiting even for the books. That's it. Okay. Sure. And this Strilinga Shabda, do we need to submit the exercise pages?
No, not required. So whatever the submission is there, I will tell it upfront, and I'll make the provision in the Google form to upload. Okay. So whichever is no submission, you will have to do it, but do it diligently. So later I might ask.
I already submitted.
Sure.
Assignment.
Anyway, sure.
Dhanyawadaha Mahadev.
Dhanyawadaha. Okay, so with that, probably we should end today's class. So I will copy down all the questions from Q&A chat box, whichever is kind of relevant and important. I will discuss in the upcoming class as well. Okay, with that, Sarvebhyaha Ram Ram Ram. Agre Punaha Budhavasare Punaha Milamaha. Dhanyawadaha.